Budgeting is one of the most important skills a person can learn. It allows you to take control of your finances, plan for your future, and make sure you are making the most of your money. Without a budget, it is very easy to overspend and get into debt. A budget can help you avoid this by setting limits on your spending and making sure you are aware of where your money is going. Here in this video, I will share the most practical ways to budget your money. Number 1. Give every dollar a job. Budget to zero every month, track every dollar you earn and give it a job in your budget. If your fixed expenses, debt payments, and savings have all been paid for and you've still got money left over, give it a job so it doesn't disappear by accident. You could add it to savings like retirement or emergency funds, make an additional credit card payment, or give yourself an increase in your discretionary spending, also known as fun money. The great thing about your budget is that you get to choose what you do with your cash. Number 2. Set goals for your money. Write down your financial goals and review them when there are changes to your situation, such as when your income goes down, when it goes up, or when a debt gets paid off. Be realistic with your goals and timelines because they will impact your budget. Consider all aspects of your life when making decisions about your spending. Number 3. Separate wants versus needs. When creating a budget, you'll need to account for all your expenses. When reviewing your expenses, consider which ones are wants and not needs. Spending too much on wants can add up to a lot of debt very quickly. So ask yourself the tough questions: is this expense necessary? Does it help me with my goals? What would happen if I lived without it? Is there an alternative or more cost-effective option? If you're being honest with yourself, chances are there are some expenses in your budget that could be eliminated entirely, or drastically reduced so that you can redirect money to paying your debts off faster. Number 4. Plan for irregular expenses. People often forget about those expenses that only come up once in a while. Irregular expenses might include things like car repairs, haircuts, vet bills, membership fees, gifts, festivities, or even clothing. By planning for seasonal or periodic expenses, we can eliminate the need to use credit or money that was meant for something else. Consider opening separate savings accounts specifically for irregular expenses and set aside money every pay period into this account for your irregular expenses. This will help you be proactive instead of reactive. Number 5. Automate your finances. Most financial institutions offer online automated banking options that can help make budgeting and saving automatic. Creating automatic deposits into accounts every pay period can help create good saving habits and assist in keeping track of your expenses and payments. Check with your financial institution for options available to you. Number 6. Pay yourself first. Treat your savings like an expense or a bill and put it in your budget as a regular payment, instead of waiting until you have money left over to put away. Most people find a way to spend any extra. However, paying yourself first makes savings a priority equal to that of bill payment. Number 7. Create an emergency fund or buffer in your budget. Emergencies happen. We just don't know when they will come, what they will be, or how much they will cost. Put a small amount of money into a separate savings account every pay period to build a fund for these situations. A little extra money set aside can turn most emergencies into just an inconvenience. To get your emergency fund started, set a specific and achievable goal like $600 or more if you can afford it. This will give you something to strive for. It's not as important how much you set aside as it is that you put some money aside regularly. Success feels good and will motivate you to keep up this habit. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in next video.